Allie here from bakingamoment.com. Today I'm sharing one of the most favorite things I make for my kids, and I really like it too: fried chicken sandwiches. Fried chicken sandwiches are having a moment right now. You can get one at just about any fast food restaurant, and they're all amazing, but none of them hold a candle to what you can make for yourself in your own kitchen. This recipe cooks up moist and so delicious with the most incredible, crispy, crunchy coating on the outside that has a perfect blend of seasoning. It's loaded with flavor and so incredible. I like to serve it on a soft brioche bun with lots of creamy mayonnaise and tangy pickles. The contrast of textures and flavors is out of this world. You're going to want to start with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. If your chicken breasts are really big, you might want to cut them in half. Just bear in mind the size of the bun you're using. You want it to be similar in size to the bun. Pound the chicken breast just a little bit. You're not trying to make it super thin like a cutlet. You just want to even out the thickness so that it all cooks in the same amount of time. Once you have an even thickness, you can start the wet brine. I like to do this like an hour or two before I plan to serve my fried chicken sandwiches. The wet brine is just hot sauce, water, chili powder, and salt. Just let the chicken soak in the wet brine for an hour or two. This makes it extra juicy and extra flavorful. While that's marinating, you can mix up the wet batter. The wet batter is flour, garlic powder, salt, eggs, and sparkling water. The sparkling water obviously has bubbles in it, and this will create a really, really light texture on the chicken's coating. You're also going to want to prepare a seasoned flour. The chicken will go from the wet brine to the wet batter to the seasoned flour and then into the fryer. The seasoned flour has flour, salt, white pepper, onion powder, paprika, dry mustard, black pepper, garlic powder, and ground thyme. Coat your marinated chicken breasts first in the wet batter, then in the seasoning flour. Then they can go into the hot oil. I like to use vegetable oil, but you can use any kind of neutral tasting oil that has a higher smoke point. Fry the chicken breasts, turning every so often so they cook evenly until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove them from the oil and drain them on paper towels. It's a good idea to let your fried chicken breasts rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps the juices inside the breast, so they're extra moist. Once the chicken breasts have had their rest, lay them on a soft, toasted brioche bun. Blanket them with creamy mayonnaise and top with a few tangy pickles. This fried chicken sandwich is sure to blow any fast food restaurants out of the water. Give it a try and you'll see. got lots more information on this recipe on my website, bakingamoment.com, so be sure to check it out. If you like to cook or bake, or if you just like watching food videos, then be sure to check out some of the other recipes I have here on the Baking a Moment channel. And if you like this one, hit like and subscribe so you can be notified every time I come out with something new. Enjoy!